Hello friends, how are you? My name is Corbin Reed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing an extreme patio makeover. I have a patio in the front of my house that gets used a lot when we entertain. There's a grill out there. Whenever my dad comes to visit us, he uses the grill, sits out there for honestly like hours. And it was fine before. I had a little bench, wood bench that I actually made myself that like has hinges on it and it can sort of convert into like, you can just move it like it was portable. But I wanted something with a back on it, so I went and got some furniture from Ikea, of all places, that matched the acacia wood flooring that we had. Acacia, whatever. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it matched the wood flooring that we have out there. My whole theme is just bringing earth elements into every space in my house. You can see a little bit of it behind me. I am not going to give you guys a full reveal of the office makeover probably until July, but the walls are lime washed and you can just feel it's warmer. It's a lot warmer and earthier. So I'm doing that slowly in every room in my house, aside from just replacing items that don't feel storied to me or don't feel like they have soul. I'm also going around and replacing elements that feel a little bit like sterile with elements that feel earthy. So that's what I did on my porch. I added some wicker, I added some acacia wood, and I added some plants, and it really just made a really big difference. So let's go check it out, and I'll show you my process in the before and after. Making over another room in my house. So my mom is coming next weekend for 4th of July, or 2 weekends from now. No, next weekend for 4th of July. And last time she was here, Pepper's like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" Up to my antics, my usual antics. She's coming. She really enjoyed sitting on this porch. And my dad uses this porch when he comes to grill. I never sit out here because, I don't know, it doesn't spark joy for me. So now I need to make it spark joy. Here's the current state of this porch. We've got a little worn out table situation here. I put a vintage basket here. This is the grill. It's covered. A grilling mat, also very ugly. A lantern, this nasty gnarly table, this bench which I made, which I actually intend to keep, and then an umbrella and 2 faux hanging plants. So here's my plan for up here. I purchased I wanted like a potting bench, but this is a really small porch and the dimensions were just not, I wasn't finding them. So I went to Ikea and I just got like this flooring is actually from Ikea. I went to Ikea and I got a shelf and I'm just going to put some plants on there and probably a basket to hold like the coal for the grill and like probably put a little like couple other accessories that you could use for like when we have people over or whatever. So we leave town tomorrow. I'm actually literally, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna see if I can like change this up in one day. Maybe I'm crazy. It'll probably take 2 days, but I'm gonna get after it and start clearing out this chair and this table and that table so I can move in the things that I got from Ikea. You will see what these are. This is a chair. I got some plants, right, Pep? She's scared. I got some plants because I want real plants. I got a basket, right, Pep? And I got this matches the flooring. This is the shelf, and that's gonna kind of make up my little outdoor area out here. So let's get into it, yeah. So the old furniture out of the patio, and it already looks better. Here's what it's looking like. It's open. It's clear. Clean space to do something new. So let's keep going. so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.